Reuben sandwich. A classic Reuben is a sandwich consisting of corned beef, Swiss cheese, sauerkraut, Russian dressing between slices of rye bread that is grilled until the bread is crispy and the cheese melts. They are really delicious and easy to make. I like to serve them with big bowls of steaming vegetable soup and dill pickles on the side. Ingredients: A. Sandwiches. 3 tablespoons butter, softened. 1 pound corned beef, thin deli slices or homemade. 8 slices rye bread. 8 slices Swiss cheese, preferably Swiss Gruyere. 1¼ cup sauerkraut, well drained. Butter for grilling. Vegetable oil or light olive oil for grilling. B. Russian dressing. 3/4 cup mayonnaise. 1/4 cup sour cream, mais sub more mayo. 1/4 cup ketchup. 1 tablespoon grated onion. I use my zester. 1 tablespoon prepared horseradish. 1 tablespoon Frank's Original Red Hot Sauce. 1 teaspoon Worcestershire sauce. Half a teaspoon each ground mustard, sweet paprika, mais sub smoked or regular paprika. 1/4 teaspoon each garlic powder, salt, pepper. Instructions. 1. Make the Russian dressing. Combine all of the dressing ingredients in a bowl. Whisk until completely combined. The dressing will be on the thicker side for a dressing because it's going to be used as a spread. 2. Add butter and Russian dressing. Spread butter on one side of each 8 slices of bread. These are the sides that will touch the skillet. Flip all the pieces over and spread the other side of each of sliced bread with Russian dressing, the insides of the bread. 3. Assemble. To 4 bread slices, the other slices are the tops. Layer over the Russian dressing in this order: corned beef, sauerkraut, and 2 slices of Swiss cheese. Top with the other 4 slices of bread, buttered side up/out. 4. Grill the sandwiches. Toasting your Reubens is relatively simple, but you'll want to pay attention so the bottom of the sandwiches don't burn. Start by melting some butter and oil in a skillet, then adding 1 to 2 sandwiches, whatever comfortably fits in your skillet. Add the sandwiches, cover, and grill over medium-low heat until the bread is golden and crunchy on the bottom and the cheese is starting to melt, about 3 minutes. Flip the sandwiches over and continue to cook until the cheese is melted and the bottom bread is toasted. 5. Repeat. Grill remaining sandwiches. Dig in. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.